Round 2. So now we're gonna put that beautiful stud into the new joint. Anyway, you're crazy. Typical cheap guy.
Ska, man. I'm excited for ska. Okay. Let's see, right? Should be good, right?
Right there?
Right there, man.
Okay, here we go. Watch your eyeballs. Let's say we stand up for this.
Okay, good call.
So that sucker wants to fly, it'll hit you in the balls. Okay, it's going in.
Yeah, go.
Yeah?
So we're supposed to grease it?
I mean, you could. How about putting a little bit of it's going in.
Easier?
Mm-hmm.
Grease on it?
Oh yeah.
Go ahead, hit it yet.
No, it's hitting it.
Quarter inch, you have a little measuring tape?
And that drawer.
Top drawer? Yeah, there you go.
Okay, we gotta go 3/4.
Half an inch.
Alright, check this out, I'm back. You see how this thing has that groove? We went too far into the ball joint, so we gotta go backwards and remove it. Which means that this, I need to use your finger, should document to show them that that groove right there is your upper. But the seal has to literally, I'll show you guys. Alright, this is an original one. If you look at in here how much space there is between this surface and this, you gotta be just a tiny bit. You need a tiny bit because
Just for that lip.
the lip
On this.
of the cap has to sit in there. We went too far. Ours sits literally, look at that, way too far. Alright guys, make sure that you don't go too far. You can always reverse the process on a press. Alright, this is no joke. This freaking lower ball joint that comes out of here is not easy to come off. There's a snap ring underneath all this, but you gotta remember that there is a lot of oil and grime and whatnot, and you gotta go ahead and clean it as much as possible. So when it's inside there, it's all the way inside, like that much. Take the snap ring out. Once that snap ring's out, you go from the top and you punch it. So you get some. You can't see it, but see the little hole right there? You put a punch, hit it hard, boom, it comes out. And then there's a secondary. The secondary snap ring sits on top of this. Also not easy. Now we're gonna take this, we're gonna press it. Alright, we can't use a press because it's very sensitive. This little sucker is very sensitive, so you gotta punch it right out. Not easy, but that's what they suggest to do. Yeah. Honestly, I think we should just throw it on the press. Alright. Alright, we couldn't punch it, so we're gonna press it out. Completely press it out. We're making bullets here. Okay. Here we go. This is how we're gonna do it. A little sketchy, but the instructions said to do something different. We're not doing it that way. It's too much. Get yourself a press, guys. Harbor Freight. Screw it. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Watch yourself.
Watch your body.
Oh yeah, there it goes. Felt it. Felt like butter. There it goes.
Oh. Man.
There it goes.
Easier.
There we go.
Easier.
Look how bad they are. Really? This is what's costing your wheel wobble. This little guy right here. Top and bottom. Don't doubt the joints, guys.
At 55, 60, this is what it's doing on my head. No, and steering wheel.
Wow, look, it's made in the USA. Insane. See that right there? USA. Crazy. Alright, what I suggest to do is to take the new ball, what do you call it, ball joint?
Ball joint.
The new ball joint.
Ball socket.
Ball socket. And you're supposed to sand it down a little to get a little rigidness in it, I guess. I guess it's for grip. I guess. Check out this guy's shirt. What's up with that shirt? Tell me about the school.
It's called Muff Diving School.
Muff Diving School. Muff.
Yes.
Okay, I'm not even gonna ask what do you mean by muff. Okay, let's just go back to this.
Pro. Let's just say that.
All right, guys. Here it is. Okay, now we're going in reverse order. You see this? You can kind of see where we're gonna go. Now, my friend here believes that if he doesn't use this thing right here, because he's just scared.
I don't have to.
He's scared. He's scared. I mean, I put him on the spot. Now that I put him on the spot because he's on TV now. You're famous, bro. Look at that. He looks concerned. Look at that face.
It's called
concernedness.
It's called doing what the fuck I'm doing.
Dude, you're a professional. It says it on your wall. It says it right there. It says, we perform professional wheel alignments.
All right, jack me up, dude. Let me feel you.
Okay, you ready?
Ready.
I'm gonna feel you. Can you feel me? Hold on. All right, ready?
Ready.
Here we go. Whoa, sorry guys.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah, that's good. There you go. Let's go on. Like butter. I don't know how far we gone. Can't tell.
I think it might just snap in. There, heard it?
Check it.
I mean, we could always take it out. Press it back at it. I'm sure it's all the way down to the bottom till it hits. See?
Okay.
Here we go, ready?
All right.
Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Is that right?
Yeah. You are perfect.
So you got to make sure that this part right here has enough room for your snap ring. Yes, we're listening to Bruno Mars. We listen to everything here. Okay, now we're going to go backwards on this whole thing. We got to do the snap ring. The top one has a little snap ring.
Go reverse. How it works.
Yeah, just push out.
This way.
The other way.
That. Yeah.
I'm gonna spare you guys the details. You don't need to know this, but I mean, you know how to put snap rings in. Again, this is the hardest part of the build. Do you agree?
Agree. I agree.
Okay.
Agree.
So
Concur.
it is 12 midnight already, and All right, so the way you have to put this in is, this, my friends, is the old body of a bushing that we use. We just push the ball joint out and we use it as a cup. This is how we're gonna use this to push it back in. Do you remember how you do it? Oh yeah, it's gotta go. Sir. This is probably like a long video now. How to, maybe you should send all these instructions to,
That's what we use, right?
there you go. Is this flat down here? No, it's not. Okay, sorry guys.
Oh, didn't we use a flat?
We didn't even use this.
Yeah, we did.
You did?
Yeah.
We'll be right back.